Once you have signed in to your AXS account, please click on your name in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on My Company. Once you're in the My Company page, scroll down and click on Network on the left-hand side of the screen. This screen now allows you to connect to other parties. Please click on the Invite Partner button. You now have two options, either search on AXS or invite by email. The Search on AXS option allows you to search by company name. Or you can invite by email. Please enter the email address of the company you want to connect with. You can also send a short message. Once you have done, click the Invite button. You should receive a message at the bottom of the screen, indicating that your invitation has been successful. The invitee will now have to accept the invitation to establish a connection.